morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 9. I'm gonna open my coffee. I gotta go. Okay. And it's right on the front. We love that for us. Okay. Ooh, orange. Whoa, this whole thing just slid out. Did y'all see that? All right, we got, what the fuck is wrong with these goddamn names? Inizio? I don't know. But it's a coffee pod. It's interesting how some of the coffee pods have different ounces. This one has 5.07 ounces. Remember how the other coffee pod the other day had 7.7 fluid ounces or something like that? Very interesting. Anyway, love ya. Gotta go get gas. Gotta go to 7-Eleven. Gotta make this coffee and gotta go. Hey guys, I made it to work and I'm early and I'm so excited about that. So I'm about to go and clock in. I love you guys so much. I made it here. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. And yeah, that's it. Keep on watching. You guys, I'm on my lunch break and I'm eating pizza. Hopefully people don't look at me crazy because I'm definitely sitting by myself with the camera propped up in the window at that. But my day is going good. It's super busy. There's hella stylists here today and everybody's booked. But everything's running hella smooth because you know you got me on shift. When there's me on shift, I feel like everyone enjoys their day a little bit better. I might be tooting my own horn, but I feel like it's a fact. I don't know. So good. The sky looks crazy though. I love when it looks like that, especially when the sun sets. The colors be going crazy. Have you guys tried Pizza My Heart? It's pretty good. I feel like flat pizza. Do you eat pineapple on pizza? I don't know if I asked that right. I'm just cracking up at the fact that I always do that. You know what would be blowing my mind? When dudes be with their wives next to each other and they're walking by and she's staring at me hella hard and he's staring at me hella hard. That's crazy because you need to keep your eyes to yourself. And then like, why is she staring at me, you know? I don't know. What do you think? Like, why do you like when couples pass a woman, the woman looks at the woman too? I mean, I know I be looking at women too, but damn. Very interesting. But he was breaking his motherfucking neck, holding her hand, and both of them had on wedding rings. That's crazy. I'm using you as my mirror to see if I got crumbs on my face.
a scene for the vlog, and my freaking pocket with my lip gloss in it hit their car. So much for trying to get vlog footage. And I was finna smoke a blunt, so now it just looks way more obvious that I'm doing what I'm doing over here. Anyways, gotta put the hair up on me lunch break. Luckily, I never finished my one from my traffic blunt from this morning, so it's perfecto. Dang, that Fenty lip gloss really set off that whole alarm though. That's actually crazy. Y'all saw me just turn around real quick. What the hell? It's just a sports bra, don't be alarmed. I wish it was like that, but it just looks... The shirt is just... Does it look better like this? No. Absolutely not. All right, anyway, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my lunch and watch some YouTube videos with the little time I actually got left. So I will see you. I don't know when I'm gonna see you, but I'll see you when I see you. I've closed the salon and now I'm leaving for work. Well, there's still one girl in there, so I'm not gonna close it. Wow, look at the sky, you guys. Oh, it's not really giving for real. Dang, you can't really see it for real. It looks gorgeous. It's like pastel blue, but it's like an iridescent blue. Like it almost looks holographic, but it's not because it's the sky, but just the way the sun reflects off the whites. Anyway, I'm off work and I'm excited. And now I'm gonna go buy a Christmas tree. But I think I'm gonna leave it for you guys for tomorrow's vlog because we behind. So today you're gonna get what you get, but then after that, I think I'll be able to get back on track. We're back at the spot again. The sky looks so good. Anyways, I'm going home. I love you guys.
Reminding you that 911 assist is set to off.
This is the face I just made, and it stayed like that when I saw how much time it's gonna take me to get home. I may have to roll. I'm not even finna dip off. I already have a blunt rolled, but my drive is looking more disrespectful than I initially planned for. Normally it'd be like an hour and whatever minutes, but this time it's like a lot more than that, and I'm just not okay with that. Like, dang, everybody got holiday parties, family photos, work dinners, and work holiday year-end parties, and I, you know, am all for that, but like, I want to get home first before y'all get to go where y'all got to go. But anyway, I'm glad I looked because now I know what I need to do, and that is roll the fuck up, because me and traffic don't sit too well together. That's why I make sure I have me a traffic blunt. Can you see me? Because I have no clue. I don't even know her name. I'm excited to go get a Christmas tree though. Anyway, I'm gonna stop boring y'all with these boring ass car scenes and vlog when I'm actually doing something. All right. You guys, I made it off work. I went in the house, I went to pee, and then we left to go get a Christmas tree. Why I really be rhyming? That's crazy. I went to pee, then we left to get a Christmas tree. I'm gonna show y'all when we get in there, but I'm finishing the blunt. Bye.